How to bypass the BitLocker Recovery Key on Windows 11. Please note this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Always ensure you have proper authorization before accessing any encrypted data. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what BitLocker is. BitLocker is a full disk encryption feature included with Windows 11 Pro. Enterprise and Education editions. It helps protect your data by encrypting your entire drive. Occasionally, you might get locked out and need a recovery key to regain access. This can happen due to hardware changes, window updates, or incorrect password attempts. To bypass the BitLocker recovery key, you'll need a bootable Windows installation USB drive, access to the command prompt, and basic knowledge of the Windows operating system. First, quickly understand how to create a bootable Windows installation USB drive. To do this, you need an 8 GB or larger USB flash drive. Download the Windows Media Creation tool from the official website and follow the on-screen instructions to create a bootable USB drive. Boot your computer from the USB drive, then insert the USB drive into your computer, restart it, and enter the BIOS UEFI settings. Once the computer boots from the USB drive, you'll see Windows setup screen. Press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type disk part list volume. After successfully disabling this BitLocker, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Make sure to remove the USB drive during the reboot. Once you're back in Windows, open the BitLocker drive encryption settings to verify that BitLocker is disabled. If you see BitLocker off, you successfully bypassed the BitLocker recovery key.